Hi everyone, and welcome to our channel where we help you take control of your finances and build the life you've always dreamed of. In today's video, we'll dive into one of the most critical steps to financial success, creating a monthly budget that actually works. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your budgeting skills, this video will provide you with a clear step-by-step guide. So grab a notebook and let's get started. Why budgeting matters. Before we dive into the how, let's talk about the why. Budgeting isn't just about tracking your expenses. It's about giving every dollar a purpose. It's the foundation for achieving your financial goals, whether that's paying off debt, saving for a dream vacation, or building wealth. Without a budget, it's easy to lose track of where your money is going and end up living paycheck to paycheck. But with a solid plan, you're in control of your finances instead of letting your finances control you. Budgeting also helps reduce financial stress. Imagine knowing exactly how much you can spend without feeling guilty or anxious. A budget gives you a peace of mind and ensures that you're prepared for unexpected expenses. It's a way to empower yourself financially and focus on what truly matters in your life. Finally, a well-structured budget can help you achieve financial independence. By consistently saving and investing, you're laying the groundwork for a secure future. Whether you're aiming for early retirement or financial freedom, it all starts with a budget. And the best part? Budgeting is a skill that anyone can learn with the right approach and tools. Step 1. Assess your income. The first step to creating a budget is knowing exactly how much money you're bringing in each month. Start by calculating your total monthly income. This includes your salary, side hustles, freelance gigs, or any other sources of income. If your income varies, use an average based on the past few months. Let's take an example. Say you earn $3,500 from a full-time job and additional $500 from a side hustle. Your total monthly income would be $4,000. Write this number down. It's the starting point for your budget. Be thorough. Don't forget to include any irregular or seasonal income, like bonuses or tax refunds. The goal here is to have a realistic understanding of your cash flow. If you're self-employed or your income fluctuates, consider setting your budget based on your lowest earning month to avoid overestimating. Another tip, identify if you have any untapped income potential. For example, could you monetize a hobby, take on freelance work, or sell items you no longer need? Boosting your income even temporarily can give your budget more flexibility. Step 2. Track your expenses. Next, it's time to figure out where your money is currently going. Spend at least 1 month tracking every single expense. You can use budgeting apps like Mint, YNAB, or even a simple spreadsheet. Divide your expenses into categories such as rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, transportation, entertainment, and subscription. Don't forget to include irregular expenses like annual insurance premiums or holiday gifts. Once you've tracked everything, add up your totals for each category. This exercise will help you identify areas where you may be overspending. For example, you might realize you're spending $200 a month on dining out when you could cut that in half by cooking at home. Tracking expenses is an eye-opening experience that can reveal hidden spending habits. It's also an opportunity to align your spending with your values. Are you spending money on things that truly matter to you? Let's look at another scenario: subscription services. It's easy to forget about recurring payments for streaming platforms, gym memberships, or apps you no longer use. Take this opportunity to cancel everything that doesn't add significant value to your life. Step 3. Set your goals. Now that you know your income and expenses, it's time to set financial goals. What do you want to achieve with your budget? Goals can be short-term, like saving $500 for an emergency fund, or long-term, like buying a home or retiring early. Be specific and realistic. Write down your goals and assign them a timeline. For example, if you want to save $5,000 for a vacation in 1 year, you need to save around $417 per month. Having clear goals will keep you motivated and make budgeting feel less like a chore. It's also helpful to prioritize your goals. Rank them by importance so you know where to focus your efforts. For instance, paying off high-interest debt might take precedence over saving for a new car. And don't forget to celebrate your progress along the way. Every milestone, no matter how small, is worth recognizing. If you're struggling to set goals, try visualizing your ideal financial future. What does it look like? Maybe it's owning a home, traveling the world, or retiring early. Use this vision as a motivator to stay on track with your budget. Step 4. Create your budget. Now comes the fun part. Creating your budget. The popular method is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to needs: housing, utilities, groceries, and transportation. 30% goes to wants: dining out, entertainment, and non-essential shopping. 20% goes to savings and debt repayment. Adjust these percentages based on your personal situation. If you're focused on paying off debt, you might allocate 30% or more for that category and cut back on wants. Use tools like budgeting apps or templates to make this process easier. And remember, your budget isn't set in stone. Review and adjust it as needed. You might also consider alternative budgeting methods like zero-based budgeting, where every dollar is assigned a job. This approach ensures that you're intentional with your money and leaves no room for wasteful spending. Another method is envelope budgeting, where you allocate cash into physical envelopes for each category. When an envelope is empty, you stop spending in that category for the month. If you have irregular income, consider creating two budgets, one for high-income months and another for low-income months. This strategy helps you avoid overspending during good months and keeps you prepared for leaner times. Step 5. Build an emergency fund. An essential part of any budget is an emergency fund. This is a safety net for unexpected expenses like medical bills or car repairs. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Start small if necessary. Even saving $20 a week can add up over time. Think of your emergency fund as an insurance for your financial well-being. Having this cushion in place can prevent you from going into debt when life throws you a curveball. If you're just starting out, set a smaller goal, like saving $1,000, and gradually build from there. For added motivation, set up a separate savings account specifically for your emergency fund. Label it something inspiring, like a safety net or peace of mind. Watching the balance grow can be incredibly rewarding. Step 6. Automate and track your progress. Automation is your best friend when it comes to budgeting. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account and schedule bill payments to avoid late fees. Regularly review your budget to see if you're on track. If you've overspent in one category, make adjustments in the next month. One great tip is to celebrate small wins. Did you save an extra $100 this month? Reward yourself with something small but meaningful. This positive reinforcement will keep you motivated. Additionally, keep a close eye on your spending habits. Are there areas where you consistently overspend? Use this information to tweak your budget and improve your financial habits. The more you track, the better you'll become at managing your money. Lastly, don't hesitate to seek help if you're struggling to stay on track. There are countless resources available, from financial coaches to online forums, that can provide guidance and accountability. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating a monthly budget that actually works. Remember, budgeting is a skill, and like any skill, it gets easier with practice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more personal finance tips. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.